It is working model of human eye. Today I will demonstrate before you how does the human eye works with the help of this model, and also I will demonstrate before you the defects of eyes and their corrections. So let us discuss about the construction of this human eye. How I made this model. I made this model by using a plastic ball, plastic PVC pipes, then electrical strip, then candle stand, some screws are there, candle is there, concave lens and convex lenses are there. Now how does this eye works? We can easily demonstrate before the student that how that eyeball works. The eyeball, first of all I pasted this lens to this eyeball. It is working as our eye lens. On the second half of the ball I pasted here trace paper. It is working as a retina. Okay, so it is a eyeball. I mount this eyeball on the plastic pipes fitted on the electrical strip. We can easily move this like this to decrease or to increase the distance between the lens and the trace paper. It is also adjustable. The candle is also adjustable. Now let us see how this eye works. Let me light the candle before you. Now this lighted candle is working as an object, and the rays falling on the lens, eye lens, and the image is forming on the retina. As our eyeball works, the objects, rays coming from the object goes to the retina, and that image of the object is falls on the retina, and then we can see the object easily. So here the size of the image is exactly same as the object, but that image is inverse. Okay, now it is the working model of human eye. Same manner our eye works. Now let us discuss about the defects of eye. As I earlier told you that first defects of eye is myopia, or you can say nearsightedness. In this, nearby objects can easily visible, or we can see easily the nearby objects, but the far away objects we can't see. Now what happened in this defect? The elongation of object takes place, or elongation of the eyeball takes place. In this what happened? The elongation, the distance between lens and the retina increases, and due to the increase between the distance, the falling image or retina of the object is not clearly visible, or you can say faint. So to overcome this defect, we can use concave lens like this. By using the concave lens, you can easily see the object. Now look, the image is exactly clear or visible with the help of this lens, like this. In the same way, in the farsightedness, what happens? The flattening of the eyeball takes place, and due to the flattening of eyeball, the distance between the lens and the retina decreases, and due to the decrease in distance, the falling image on the retina is faint, or you can say cannot be clearly visible. So to overcome this defect, we can use the convex lens like this. By using the convex lens, we can easily overcome this defect. Now the image is easily clearly visible on the retina, and we can see also the things which are very far away from our eyes. So it is the defect. This was about the defects of eyes. You can easily demonstrate this model before the student. The student easily demonstrate or easily handle this model, and they can easily understand how our eye works. Thanks for watching me. Thank you.